What's up everyone, this is Patrick Liu, and today we are talking about the company called Zoom Video Communication, ticker symbol ZM, not ZOOM. I saw this a few days ago. This is so funny, people are confusing ZM with ZOOM. This Zoom technology hasn't even reported earnings since 2011, but up 52% recently. And I think similar thing happened when ZM went IPO. I mean, wow, that just shows that a lot of people didn't even do any research and bought this stock. So please be careful with the ticker, alright? Recently, due to the C-word crisis, the word shall now be spoken on YouTube. Well, I guess YouTube is really trying to do business with China. Anyway, almost every company got hurt. Zoom is one of very few companies are actually benefit from this crisis. Anyway, let's talk about this company. Zoom Video Communication provides remote conferencing services that combine video conferencing, online meeting, chat, and mobile collaboration. As of today I'm recording, Zoom is trading at $125. It went up 30% for the past month and more than 80% year to date. And their market cap is around 35 billion. They just released Q4 earnings earlier this month. Q4 revenue went up 78% year over year, and full year revenue up 88% year over year, with operating margin around 14% for the year. EPS sits around 0.15, more than double the estimated EPS, which is 0.07. Keep this in mind, Zoom just went IPO last year, and this company was founded in 2011. This is a relatively young company with a high double-digit growth quarter over quarter, year over year. And most importantly, they are profitable. I don't typically see a high double-digit growth tech company that can also remain profitable. So Zoom is definitely one of the best growth company in the market, in my opinion. As for the CEO of Zoom, Eric Yuan, who graduated from Stanford and used to work at Cisco as Vice President of Engineering. I watched some of his interviews last year, and I have to say that I like this person a lot. I think he's doing a great job as the CEO, and also their management team is continuously doing great jobs with efficiency. By the way, I love their earnings call. I definitely enjoy watch an earnings call rather than just listen to the audio. Also, the audio qualities of some companies' earnings call are just terrible. I'd rather read the transcripts than listen to them. As for their products, I have tried once before and it was amazing. As tons of other people has talked about their products, it just works and easy to use. Also, the quality is just outstanding and delightful to use compared to others. Let's talk about the impact of this crisis to Zoom. We definitely seen a lot of companies and the universities and the schools are start using Zoom recently. We also seeing tremendous increase of usage, which led them keep building their infrastructures and to increase their capacity. But keep this in mind, this could also hurt their gross margin. Some people think the benefit for Zoom is temporary, but I think different. I think a lot of companies, even after this crisis is over, is still going to consider to have the ability to let their people work at home and also to work remotely, and even consider, is it really necessary to have an in-person meeting in some cases, or a product like Zoom will do the job just right. Next, competitions. Like I said earlier, Zoom seems like the best product out there right now, and if the competitor don't act fast, I'm afraid Zoom is going to be the household name, and if competitor acting fast, I think Zoom is going to facing tremendous amount of competitions. But I think there's still a very good chance that Zoom is going to be one of the best product out there, if it's not the best. Now, let's talk about the valuation and my plan for this stock. Look at the price to sales ratio. It sits more than 50. Yes, 50. This number is extremely high. This is extremely overvalued. This type of number only makes sense in a crazy market condition. Oh wait, we are in a crazy market condition. But the market is acting crazy. It doesn't mean I want to act crazy. I do have a small position in this company. It's around 7% of my whole portfolio, but it was much smaller before than what it is right now, only because All my other positions just went down huge recently, but this one just keep going up and up. Anyway, my cost basis is around $63, and I'm happy with that number. But I do want to build a bigger position if Zoom drop huge, or in the future when the valuations start making more sense, I'm going to buy more shares. Also, on the other hand, I'm definitely not selling out my position in Zoom. In the future, I might take a little profit here and there, but I'm still going to hold the majority of the shares because I do believe in this company for the future, and I think the fundamental of this company is still great and healthy. Wait, did I mention this company have no debt? Yes, this company have no debt. Anyway, do not buy or sell based on what I said. Do your own research. I'm just a kid who only started investing a year and a half ago, so have your own judgment. Destroy the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you want to see more. And until next time, peace.